Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something a little different but super interesting, the incredible health benefits of ginger. Have you ever wondered why ginger has been used for thousands of years in kitchens and medicine cabinets around the world? Well, not only is it a flavorful addition to your tea or stir fry, but it's also one of nature's most powerful healing foods. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you the top science-backed health benefits of ginger, how you can easily add it to your diet, and why it might just become your new go-to natural remedy. First up, ginger is most famous for its ability to soothe your stomach. It works by speeding up the emptying of your stomach and relaxing the intestinal tract, which can reduce bloating, discomfort, and indigestion. Studies also show ginger is highly effective for nausea relief. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea from chemotherapy, just a small cup of ginger tea or even chewing raw ginger can make a huge difference. Now, let's talk about inflammation, because ginger contains gingerols and shogaols, natural compounds with really strong anti-inflammatory properties. For anyone dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or muscle soreness after workouts, ginger can help reduce swelling and pain. Athletes even use it to recover faster after intense exercise. It's nature's gentle anti-inflammatory, without the harsh side effects you might get from medications. And during cold and flu season, ginger is your immune-boosting best friend. It's packed with antioxidants and has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. When combined with lemon and honey, ginger tea can help fight off infections, soothe sore throats, and keep you warm from the inside out. Think of it as a natural shield for your immune system. But wait, there's more. Recent research suggests ginger might help regulate blood sugar levels. Super important for preventing energy crashes and managing type 2 diabetes. Plus, it can improve blood circulation and help lower bad LDL cholesterol. So, ginger's doing great things for your heart and arteries too. And here's a cool bonus. Ginger's antioxidants protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to age-related cognitive decline. Some studies even suggest that ginger can enhance memory, attention, and reaction time. So, adding ginger to your diet isn't just good for now. It's an investment in your long-term brain health. How can you add ginger to your daily routine? Plenty of ways. Brew it into a warming ginger tea, toss fresh slices into your cooking, blend it into smoothies for a zing, try ginger shots for a concentrated boost, or use dried or powdered ginger in baking and curries. Just a quick tip. Ginger is safe for most people, but if you're on blood thinners or have gallstones, make sure to chat with your doctor first. And remember, a little ginger goes a long way. So, whether you want better digestion, stronger immunity, or just a cozy, comforting drink, ginger is truly a gift from nature. If you found this video helpful and want more natural tips like this, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. And for our newsletter, check out the link in the description or visit www.agelesshealthandwellbeing.com. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.